Hello from Ogs Mechanics workshop. Today we've got Lamborghini Urus. Came in after the front bumper. It had some body work. It's been removed, and this is the active cruise control sensor. And what happens on those cars, like many others, when the cruise control is the sensor, the active cruise control, the radar gets removed for body work, the calibration has to be performed in order to restore the function on the active cruise control. That's the stand for calibration. So this procedure has now been carried out, and the functionality of the active cruise control has been resumed. Ogs Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle, and we cater for all type of repair, from general servicing to advanced coding and programming at dealer level.